Did you know that there are common mistakes many people make when caring for their houseplants before leaving for work? Avoid these pitfalls to ensure your plants thrive while you're away. Mistake number 1, overwatering before heading out. It may be tempting to water your plants excessively to compensate for the long hours they'll be left alone. But this can actually lead to root rot and other problems. Make sure to water your plants only when the top inch of soil is dry. Mistake number 2, neglecting light requirements. Different plants have different light needs, so it's crucial to place them in the appropriate spots. Leaving your plants in a dark corner can stunt their growth, while exposing them to direct sunlight can scorch the leaves. Mistake number 3, ignoring the temperature. Leaving your thermostat on a high setting while you're at work can impact your plants negatively. Most houseplants prefer temperatures between 60 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Adjust your thermostat accordingly to maintain a comfortable environment for your plants. Mistake number 4, overcrowding. It's easy to fall into the trap of grouping multiple plants together. However, this can lead to poor air circulation and the spread of pests and diseases. Leave enough space between your plants to promote healthy growth. Mistake number 5, missing signs of distress. Before leaving, take a moment to inspect your plants for any signs of wilting, yellowing leaves, or insects. Address these issues promptly to prevent any further damage while you're away. By avoiding these mistakes, you can ensure your houseplants thrive even when you're at work. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks.